5 members of the committee. The Speaker, the nominee answered questions on issues relating to the staff, protest by the staff of the Judicial Service, independence of the judiciary, delays in appeal processes relating to contempt of court, legacy of the nominee as the Chief Justice, what we can expect of her, delays in reasoning judgments, and a host of others. The Speaker, after about 3.5 hours of grilling by members of the committee, members conclude that the Speaker read the conclusion. First one to provisions of Article 1441 of the 1992 Constitution and the Standing Orders Committee, after considering the nominee in public, came to the conclusion that she showed character, competence, and dexterity in the knowledge of the law.
On manya for Joseph Oseusu Joe Wise and Yatene Kana no Chire and Atamale South and Rashabejani Alaji Haruna Idrisu. One also Ekasan Watchem say Wame Yako to Batano. Nadia Waburum Rebia Swa now Church Wamagan Americuni Nitia Yawaha Edunum and Watche 1992 Constitution and an hour Church Muso Ede Echere and Wache on Manya for Samuel Atachia and so Kasai say Kabea Temu Jumano. Yara kwan fofora ye de besiesie asem boko sansen semni bi ho a said the aba peso ya na egu court ho no edroso mrase bedwafie mu chiame right honorable Aban Kingsman Babi ya maami a wogina mu no obusa ne nsem bi.
Say aye. Those against say no. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. The House has accordingly given prior approval to the appointment of the nominee to the position of a Chief Justice. I will take this opportunity to thank you once again and then call on the First Deputy Speaker to take the chair.
One man for Aban Babin.
And we must more been for Quabra Frempo Boatina, Casebre, D. Cati, yes, Yaton San Friends, Omra, Office of the Special Prosecutor, no me in Samba, Kumi, Nubiano. Nano, and Odia to letters, Ghana for no, Obi Pemanim Guasia, Eddie Ajidi, and Yano Cressa, Abambophobia, Aton Sadia from Nasibia, Yafrem Sembeyin Sembiano, Efa, reporter, Edika, Ebayan, 1 year new Centrophobia, Dinkomo and Cramantum, Ma Wakasafa home.
In fact, we have a discipline, how they bring just the online portal. Yeah, but the idea is see on the 16th of March. Until the 16th of May, we are not likely to just ourselves. When we hear many baby and come on, I'm flying anything recording. Also, for the national going. Any documents, but many documents we plan. Let me say, we do have a amount of that. The first thing I say, now direct. And then, 1 million is about the corruption-related activities of the NCIM. They are going to 2 years ago. And the particular matter, will be at the say, anyway, it's now a question which I may hear, not anything in their best knowledge. We are not seeing it, not to be the enemy. I tell my Marco, if you don't go on the enemy, you could have happened to you, your TSD, the Janine, the Marco Sumadana. It is the question.
Yura Quabra Frempo Boating.
Yako Asin South, said ye in I am Chamuabatua, a barber costo, and I'm so MNPP Amanyuko, Wakwaya primaries, Emo Racha Sopoku, Yaman and Sasoya would be Abatuan Munsu and Kunim. Na said the Abatuan were 2 year 2 in the Dudumu. Now Wakoto Abano, I was saying a comfort, Pentecost, I saw them 99 polling stations, the two Abana and Numu delegate, Henum, Edria San Emiensa, and Wamoto Abano. Frederick Freeman Amwachi, Wano and Watoso, and so Emienu. Na said the Abanin Sunsan saw Ebeto Janum, Natchez Racha Sopoku, and Yaman. Papa Cheno enya waha eduasa enum 135 ena chaso pokunya hamiensa eduokron enson 397 na ye Rajasen Frimpong kodua na wono ye twetwerefo na oginam ekohweboa ma yisini nyinada ka ho emo mato abai asomdwemu a sabre de owura chaso poku no ne gyakyekwasin ede be yamso e wasen no from apre akonwa no eho na wo wieye no yente se de chaso poku so ekasa
I'm going to say, or Honey Bone said, MPP, I am a homeless so I was saying no for. Now I'm very confident. Say 27th, and I don't know, mo nsan hyia me amone me enkasa no na MPP na di nkunim e wa senofa kai sebi general secretary se omoto abawi a enyam na me ba be MP nti omo ani nim nipa so omo yi no e wa senofa a oba be ka omo ho na wakomra se medwam na akoma sema momo na wasa aboa ama ye DC wo ha no mpuntu akoso dia me ba me tieti nsema ekoma ne ka no ene se 2020 abato je na general election se bi na woni se MPP be wini na se NDC be wini to nipa bi omo so moto ma crazy na se say no MPP aban na wo so anya hwekwa de free samre ekọ December 7 2024 no MPP aban na wo so nti se omo pe na hwe bedwani ama na aboa na eso munye obi a ona ne papa ti ase obi a okwa obetimi di aba nti omo anim se MPP tu ewo aban mu de eso mo to aba ma MP a wo ye MPP ni a obetimi aboa aka bi abo omo nti na make catch omo se minim se na meboa 27 June no me se anumre be wie no MPP do dintini
wey owura Justin Frimpong Kodua ya wono ena kyerɛ nkrata edema eni PP amanyoko afei yenti enua be ma Charles Opoku
Melodia sen Yako okupa Yako ofodei ekurumie opama MPP party wey anya okuo ya hwehwe ni anya wey na ya hwehwe the person 27 June yeah for ya ba okuo ya di seat no na ya ba MPP no because what was all again I know we don't sound I know we need to yes now on the home hey no ya some can seat no I'm not ne butaya esiani so na no because one of them man, I want to say, man, to say, bra. And if you are so bad, say, no, come in this one. About
Ora Charles Opoku sabredi ya man nsa so ya wakopere emrachebedwa akonya
oman yi mu ye wa atraye bi asakoba se bi a ubi adwuma wo kɔ no akɔgye tumi nkrata na kyerɛ sɛ adwuma mabie no ye frɛ ne sei matintim ne sei ɛho asɛm ni na ama kwan mo atima ye adwuma ɛwɔ oman ni mu registrar ya wo honom ɛyɛ maame Jimaima Oware wonim sentrofo edi nkomo ɛwɔ nkramantam no de ato nyumaku ahodo anim sɛ wo krata ya wo de ye adwuma na sɛ wo de abi adwuma na ewu a hwɛ ne sɛm kena
Registrar General, and by the passage of the New Companies Act 2019 Act 992, a new office has now been hived out of the Registrar General, known as the Office of the Registrar of Companies. And this new office is mandated to register and regulate companies, all types of businesses, partnerships, and professional bodies. And so being a new regulator, I just thought it would be wise to meet with all the professional bodies on our register. We have about 85 in number. But when I put this publication out, it became very clear that many of them have moved on and are no more professional bodies, and yet they were still on the register. Some have also never ever updated or renewed their registrations.
Na ya maame Jimaima Oware ewie ye no ano na twotwofo e wo Ghana Institute of Planners planner Kenneth ono so de nsam kakra e ma nsam twofo.
Yeah, I think it's a very good engagement and it came at the right time in the sense that we have a lot of people who are practicing but do not come under any authority. I also have a lot of people who come together claim that they are professional bodies, and because there's nobody to actually regulate, it's making the practice and the true practitioners, they are very not actually being seen. So as planners, we have a lot of people who claim to be doing planning works. But frankly speaking, they are not planners. So at the end of the day, I'll tell everybody will start blaming that planners we are not working. But not everybody who is a planner. So if the body comes to place with their certification, but it also helps to sanitize the professional work. And I think this also goes to other professional bodies. As a professional body, once you're a body, it means you have to work with.
ya kwa ya nimu dia pani pa bi oya afrukutu e wo sikasem no wo kire ho ade e wo London Aston University Birmingham en wo kasa wo kire mi so my Ghana bank mfa so twitwiri dia se wo mu jiri e wo madwuma ye mu no ya de kwani mu enti aban no nyenhyehyɛ no mo ntua to bank tax o se ade anka beboa pa am yetumi dia toto ne ma beboa ma oman no yetumi so akoya nimu enam so masompa yani owura Christian Tachijan ye ono so ya afrukutu o man mu wo sikasem so akasa and was here no kretrodro wo hemfa so a bank fo bi enya no a sika wode hye wo mdwumadi ase no wo emfa so no kora be te se sika no efa eti de panipa ne ka no eye yes aban no edna ni hwe ho
Ghana, Bank of Ghana, the minimum requirements for setting up a financial institution that is universal banks now. It's just about 400 million. 400 million non sono. There are institutions. Last year there it was one of banks not making losses. But when they compare the previous years now, some banks are even able to make as much as 200 million. Ghana cedis in profitability before tax every year. Enti what capital we here 400 million. Now within a year, we bit 50% of sa capital now we are 77 previous. Nipa na jime kura no the 400 million bebano. Onim say abroswa by 3 years time die onim say obitimi enya sika back. To compare other industries now, there we know that was 3 years pa because to have returns of over 200 million within a year no idea was ropa. Abayan so samria or non so we increase taxes na especially with the existing ones na was pepaya or befaswa obitimi are raising more revenue no. For me, I do side with what the doc is saying. Say it's an avenue, a very ripe avenue. Say obitimashe na witimenye bibi kakra e be free ho. Cause I mean to be able to make even if you are making 20 or 30% on returns.
Ora Christian Tachijan.
Wayan hwehwemu bi ewo University of Ghana mu na no na nkontabuo beto dwa etre se yemma yenuanom ene yenuan ketwa woko primary school ni junior high school no kure ni ehadwen pa fi se sabi nkoda ne ko school a umunya aduane ni nti aduane na akora ne nya ni na ne wona akora anko junior high school no so saa akoye nsem bebere na enumu na nsem trofo na ye ne kasamafo ma mu no nyina de ma wone ye wono aduane ye ma me Dorothy Sapon 18 komune busan se ma me se baabi ya bedru ni o ye ka ne sen
nyame na kaya primary school for no eno na ye omunuan na no kwasam e wo mu ni say eso de asepa eso ate because ye nipa ba ko of water region no say ni so no omo ya 530 na ye ja eduane nuan no maka 207 inti no kwasam say abana nkaso ya we inti na president Kufuor initiative and say e be increase enrollment no because at that time be very vulnerable and omo ma no so mobile school no mu eduane dia no makoma to mu yem no mo tumi na gani ni wo dia so you better tell na ma me ho say ebronchiri bia obeta wono wa register because obesta onya hwindi enti abani nye ready so obema yesika na ye de ane a say yenso yesifia omo ye very very insensitive because ya ka mo nfiye na nka 97% na omo de ma ye nimpo na omo hwemu tie mpo a enta ambedu baby edri o de omo se mo ni stand with your school feeding ba mo de busu bia mo tia mo ho ka enti no sabani nye ready so be provide yensika yenso betumi de akodi na ebe den pa na uchu omuso a omoma mpo na omo no abetna se ahwe sania ye ina ye de fa so ebeboa
ya maame Dorothy Sapon na yetene kan kasamafo de ma wone ono aduane Ghana ha de ma yemba no
Nyuako bi an shabanya sia ya friend say Ag Development Organization wani UNICEF wakabom kopie mu ache mansa ya wo mu kasa ni nyina ne maiwa anante montene so se wo twa ban na dwensi so samu ase a akoda abu ni sa odi besiesie no ho pad no eto eda so no kaban nya bibi mfa ho na ntumi mu wa ne nkoda yi obi antumi entobi wo se maiwa yi bebre ye wo ache mansa emensiri ni mu epoye mantem no pad nti ebi kwa ye mfomudwuma ebinom kura ne mema deda basa said ye be no obenya sika atobi enu ko wi akira na ekofa mprewanyi san enso ede aba emaiwe kasani
ye ko afum na ekosua koko na sika na wode beba me boaboa no na me de akotobi be 40 cedis na ma chi mtu na wode bia akoto sanitary pad pacho ma yetumi hwe ho su ye fi boys na ho aban wonye kura de a wode ye ndi nye nti eboa yempa che obi wo ha anso na obema obibin agye ɔno ayɛ biribi ansa no de ama
wei yɛ my way na ɛka wɔn akosɛm sɛ mɛɛma ne nye am do ama yɛ ward o boys no na saa asɛm yi a ɛna kye master director of education maame akuya isi sɛ ha dwen papa sɛ deɛ pad nti my way bi ɛburu mfumpa akɛtɛ soɔ no ɛyade a ɛhu na de mprɛwanyi nsɛn so ɛde ba.
We have realized so many girls during these special days of the month don't have access to some of these things. They rather depend on young men in their neighborhood for such parts, and at the end they don't give it to them free. They will sleep with them and end up impregnating them. So as a district education office, we decided to solicit for funds from NGOs and other organizations, other friends on platforms.
Yeah, mommy, I see a queer. Nani Krakra Moon, executive director, Adima Ag Development Organization. Orai man were quafuminta, and so Kasa, ya. Watch Rachel Muses are buying, and ye be and found said to address Amwa says so be dear. Quacofa or how Cassia, Edia Bre and Mayuano, Benam so and Moma Koye, near Mebia, Mfra. Nadi or how Bebanto, Misana Mutua would do a home to a woman, Sina would do mono, Edin Faswabeba.
Yanko Sunyani Yanam Sompa 98.9 atu yankra bi se yenua bi a sabi ne nan eye ne ya na ye beka se sabi wo ye apache na wono nani ateche obi a wabi adwuma wafa na adwuma ewo Sunyani ne mpotamu ene sen sa wo obi ahu mobo se wonkotena kwan ho nsra de na wabie mobile money bi di ama wo se betena ha na ye adwuma ena wawie sika 17,000 Ghana cedis na nkwamfa ntu kwan kura mfu play kurai de ya bufu de si ye tan kura ne se wo pe bomu kwa bia na kopre mu e wo Cote d'Ivoire se no so ho pe ba bi na wakopɛ atena ne wa wi sika nyina abusuafo ya mudi ya chi wo TV no so na Facebook live no so wonie 17,000 Ghana cedis
what ya kwa yede
what ya dwane
emu me wi ase
oh na enam asem we omre ne kwotomu no
na we dey some koma o madwuma we so obi ne beso ni mu
obi de beso mu sai
o ma ne nya dwuma ntua
aba no ma ne mfa nguram sa aba no na ni da so
o ma ne nya dwuma ntua
na yente Abdul Bawa kasa de ma omo ye mobile money no yente no
Sunday twam ni 2 weeks pepe na ye member ba ko ono na kwala ne ye adwuma abrantie ye friend no Emmanuel afo Sunday no ko jiska e wo ye member e ho se o de ko adwuma as usual na tika de man 17,000 Ghana cedis any phone me and any bag na abrantie jiska ono de en se na wa fan ho agenda da so fa ya na pua wo this kind of share French in Korea what no match ho baby say oh yeah call am fine say what the sika ni bi talk credit e send ni do kro bi I bro ho ajiman kro I ben entry ma abayo bi I friend Dina Petra thank ja Dina to Western region election ho kakra na de we sika call now yeah you know fortunately for us na remember ba ko so friend number no nipa na ko send ni sika na peke call no ono so we ntie but see about number bi so odoma e na e ka kire no in fact e ni picture that too your platform no so we any pe bebre an o mo so mo ne course ni de to ono bebre na ka se omunya ho no mpopo ye bi a o me aso ase and then na men charge enu a na obi ka che se ne ma bi hia no e fo kwa so wa be food no bi san se ima hanso e o tro me be se me na fu ko hakakra e ho ye friend nti na nyumre na ya se wa ba kuro ba ko no ben ajima kuro a ne ne kuro e bi ka ko e be o ba wuli ba be hye ho na brand ne tie no ka se member no odoma e no no so frey e ho ne frey police ye chi no na bra police for no doma for ne de ne share ya sa ye de ne tina ye ka mu na original ma diska na ka nti ne so pese ye sure se obi be ka se ye say no ye so pese ye so ye den ye di adansi nti ye mani diska ne pie si id nanim ene ka sika no ye boss kana na se sika ne ye se sika make 6,000 then 25 and 50 pesos any sika we di amanaka
abusia we ensem a efri Sunyani ebaye
eno so na ye gina na no pa no nsia kase ebo asante ebo Benedict so ne so kroje ma yen makukuwa Veronica the evergreen jando wabɛgyina akyire ne adwuma deɛ wɔ pɛ yɛ a wahyehyɛ biribi ade ama yɛ mfiridamfoɔ yɛda m ase yɛde ne nyinaa brɛ wie yɛsɔre yɛwura ma yɛ wɔde wakye wɔde ade akyɛ bi adwumadie no brɛ mu ɔhene ni ama korankye ada so asɔfo ma me prema ni mene
nana kwabena kɛse ada ase ama wakyɛ no pɛ
afei na matias